Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. So as you can see, this is the official app of WhatsApp. So just open this app on your mobile phone, and after that just go to settings on the below right corner, and once you're here just need to go to like this section called accounts. So just choose this section called accounts, and once you're in account section, so you will see an option like email addresses or like email address. So just click on this email address and you can add your email address now in WhatsApp. Just like you will be able to sign in without your email instead of your SIM card or phone number, as this is the new update of WhatsApp. So you can just try it and save your account from being stolen like or any kind of issues. And let's say you want to recover an old account, you do not have access to your account. So what you can do is just scroll down and go to this section called help, and once you're here just choose help center. And once you are in the help center, so just start search here recover, and once you search here recover, it will take a few seconds, and from here you can choose this option like about lost or stolen phones and accounts. So you can visit this section and like read all the details, and it might be helpful for you. And if not, just scroll down and find this option called contact support. So just click on contact support, click on start chat, and it will open a like helpful chat with the official WhatsApp. So you can just message them and ask for any kind of help that I want to recover without SIM, and they will like further discuss the details and like provide you all the helpful material which is helpful and might be able to like recover your account as well. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.